Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you my entry into the Tea Light Challenge 2021 hosted by Claire over at Making It From the Woods. And the challenge is making any sort of tea light holder that can hold at least one little tea light candle like this. Okay, what I've got a piece of old, I think it's Tasmanian Blackwood. Okay, it's been used, it's been routed into. A friend gave me this piece. It's a big chunk. It's about 90 by 90 square, pretty dense. I'm going to cut a little bit off this that hasn't been chewed up by something already, chuck it on the lathe here, and turn out maybe a set or one tea light candle holder to hold one of these for this challenge. So watch along, see what I come up with. there it is, turned up really well. Okay, obviously had some mistakes like you saw in that first one. Chipped out a lot of the end grain using the carbide tools and being a little bit too cocky with it. Yeah, wasn't happy with this one. So lucky I plan to have a second one with it, and that's come out a lot better. No cracks or dents in there. Abrasive wax I've been using has worked really well. It's got that super fine sanding quality to it, and I've put my homemade beeswax on top of it as well. I'm happy with the shape of it as well. It's got that modern type of look where it chamfers down a bit and curves underneath, which I haven't done before on the lathe, and it's something I might try and use on a bowl in the future to make a matching set, something like that. So happy with how this challenge has turned out. Looks pretty cool, pretty easy design. Thanks to Claire for hosting the challenge, and I'll put a link to the playlist at the end of the video and in the description as well. Please go on to my Instagram and have a look at all the things I do there, and for updates during the week of what's going on for other projects as well. Yeah, and I'll see you later.